guys, welcome back to our kitchen. My name's Aileen, I'm 9 years old.
I'm Ian, I'm 7 years old.
We've been cooking since 2015.
Wow, that rhymes.
Before we begin, the kitchen rules are wash your hands and adult supervision, because you can't turn on the stove by yourself or the oven. But before we begin, the most important thing is
safety first.
yes.
Bam!
Always have a fire extinguisher in hand or next to you.
Mommy? Are you my mommy?
Okay, so let's get cooking.
Guess what? We are going to make gluten-free pineapple cake.
Upside down cake.
Hey guys, welcome back. Guess what? Aileen and Ian are ready to give you all the ingredients for the gluten-free upside down pineapple cake. Are you guys ready?
Hi guys. So these are the ingredients that will be listed below.
So you're gonna need pineapple, oil, cherries if you want, and eggs, vanilla extract, and 2 bowls to mix and for the traps.
And you're gonna need your baking
and
your
and
flour.
sugar.
That's the gluten-free.
Yeah, gluten-free. We're gonna need walnuts. It's optional. Sugar, your xanthan gum, and your baking
Powder.
soda
Powder.
powder. And this is just for the glaze that our mom's gonna be making because we don't know yet how to
We're
melt
not
the butter and
we're
the
not
sugar.
to that level yet, so
Yeah.
we're gonna stay in the level that we know, so we can continue.
To be safe.
Yes, to be safe.
So let's get started.
Okay, so you are gonna be mixing all the liquids from what I see, and you, Aileen, are gonna be mixing all the powders together.
And then we're gonna put them all in one bowl.
Wait.
So why we don't mix everything at once?
Because it's gonna get a lot of lumps. It's gonna.
And it's very difficult
Yeah.
to dissolve them.
So
Okay, let's get to it.
I'm gonna put walnuts last. The sugar.
whatever.
Make sure there's no...
I can smell the sugar. Okay.
Was one right there. Okay, look at it.
Xanthan gum, which I kind of thought it was the actual gum, but it's not. It would be nice if it was.
So now you're pouring the oil.
Yes.
Smells good. Okay, I think I'm done with my powder. So I'll mix.
Can you move your bowl this way so I can see? Thank you, baby.
Whoa,
Mix
it looks like
mix
slime.
Yeah, it does. With little egg yolks in it. Which kind of...
You need to pour the vanilla.
Oops.
Okay, now let's mix everything together.
It does look like slime.
Let's see.
How many absorbing that? I need this.
Kind of looks
Oh,
like
wait, no.
floating oil.
Okay, you have to make sure you mix everything together.
Okay, our mom already preheat the oven to 350
Degrees.
So now we're gonna put Ian's gonna put the eggs in the mixer, but first we have to,
So Aileen is gonna show you how to safely use it.
so you're gonna carefully unlock it because it's gonna show a little picture that says it's locked. It's gonna be like this, and it unlock. You're just gonna carefully lift it forward like that, and you're gonna twist the bowl this way, and get it out, and then pour the eggs in.
Oh my god, this thing's gonna fly.
Oh, there's an extra.
No.
I stopped it.
There's another Excel.
Nice teamwork.
Okay, so now we're gonna put it back in here, lock it this way.
You're back.
We're gonna close it
Excel.
like this. Oh, and you're gonna put it in lock.
And then you're gonna carefully pour 1 scoop.
At a time.
We're gonna start by putting it to 2. We're gonna put it in 4, so just let it mix a little bit. Yeah, look how it looks. Look how it looks.
It's like
How is it, Ian? How is the mixing, Ian?
It's like a washing machine.
like oh, in the morning, course.
Okay, that kind of looks nice.
She has to decrease the speed.
Is it at 2?
Remember, if you pour the flour in, if the setting is in high speed, we're gonna have a little explosion.
Yeah, okay.
And that has happened before. Nice. Be careful with the scoop.
You do one, I do one. You get a full scoop.
Can I see what's going on?
Whoa.
One full scoop for the loteria. Now,
Okay,
once
guys, our mom cut
pineapple. So we're just gonna carefully, and it's very optional if you want it or if you don't. So
That looks delicious.
that was the final part. Okay, let's get
good.
So we're ready to do the
glaze.
Okay, there we go. Okay, so we're gonna put our butter in. And we cannot leave our sugar on there for too long because it might burn. It's not gonna taste like sugar. It's gonna taste like sour, like a lemon.
What? Is there anything in that thing? It can't be sugar. You have betrayed me.
Okay.
So we have
Okay, guys, you can use brown sugar for the glaze if you want, but we didn't have brown sugar, so instead we use white sugar, and we'll put it in the descriptions below.
So this is perfect.
It looks good, like sugar juice.
Okay, so we're ready to pour it in the pan. Remember, safety
First,
so
so we're pouring our glaze. That looks really good. Did we make enough glaze? Smells good. Okay, guys, we're gonna decorate our pineapple cake with the pineapples and the cherries. Because it's upside down, so we're gonna flip it when it's done. Ooh, kind of looks like eyeballs. Ooh, we could put the cherry inside of the pineapple. There's another little red eyeballs.
It's looking at you.
Oh no. So
So
our
for-
mom spread the mix all over the pan. So it's really good. So we're gonna put it in the oven. Okay, guys, our cake is done.
I am so excited to
It looks
try
so
this
good.
cake. It looks so good.
Don't touch it.
Wow.
Smells amazing.
Yeah.
So are you guys
Voice
ready
is
to
Cut it.
taste it?
Yeah.
So the time of the truth.
Yes.
Okay, guys,
this
it's
is the
time.
big reveal. So let's see.
This is amazing.
Hey, I need to try.
This is the best cake ever.
Make sure you give us a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and like our videos.
Bye.
Bye. See you guys next time.
Thank you for subscribing.
If you did. Bye.